cookie.
I like to suck it.
No, just kidding. I would have had that too.
Yeah, but you didn't.
I played winner.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys are so good at tennis.
I know, right? Like,
Fuck
we should be
this game.
professionals.
Fuck this game.
I will.
I want to play baseball.
After Angela plays me in tennis. Because we all can see I'm winning. Wow. You really suck.
I never said I was good. I'm good at bowling.
Barely.
I still kicked your ass in that game, miss. I'm gonna win.
That was payback.
You screwed me up. You just give me a free hit now.
If you can get it.
Thank you.
Daddy?
Sorry. Stop hitting me.
Dad?
No. Brother.
Dad, you could have answered me. Don't hit me, please! Please! Oh! Sorry, not get it. Ooh.
Cell phone got taken away by the principal. Got it back right after.
What is that? He got cell phone taken away by Baldy.
And then I'm like, yo, bitch, give that back. I'm 18. And then she gave it back.
I told Miss Baldy to suck my cock.
I told Miss Baldy to shut the fuck up before I cocksmack her.
I told her before, shut the fuck up. I threw a snowball at her, ha!
Nice.
I nearly hit her with my car.
What?
Miss Baldy, she looked
Nearly
like
hit
a
her with my
man.
car. She was walking in front of it. I was driving home from bowling park. It was funny. She was like,
Alright,
and I was like,
and 1 o'clock?
Hell yeah!
Winner.